Hey guys, so today I'm gonna take you along with me as I do this sort of after work reset. So I picked my daughter from school and yeah, we came home and this is the first thing we do. She's like always hungry after a long day at school, so here I am making her a wrap um and some snacks on the side for her to eat because she really does like her vegetables. She like carrots and fruits and stuff, and I'm very happy for that I don't have to force her to eat healthy stuff. It's her choice. She really likes to do this. And here she is. She really wants to help mommy to prepare everything. And I try to take her along because I want her to learn how to do all these things. It's very important. So when she grows up, she can help herself. And yeah, so we're doing this right here. And then she's gonna sit down to eat. So I'm just getting back into YouTube, guys. And I'm having the hardest time like knowing what videos to put out. So if you guys have any tips or anything, please let me know because I really want to do more regular posts. I want to put up more videos and stuff, but sometimes it's goddamn hard. Like I don't know. I don't even have the time because I'm working, studying, and yeah, being a mom on top of that. It's exhausting sometimes. So it's not easy actually, to be honest. It's pretty hard. So, but I'm trying to do my best. So while she's eating, I'm gonna just proceed to do some cleaning up, have some garbage to take out, and have to do the dishes. So I really will have I have some laundry to fold, and yeah, I need to straighten up the bathroom because I didn't get to do all of that yesterday, and because I woke up early for work today, I didn't get to do that either. So I'm just gonna speed this up a bit and you guys can follow along. If you have any questions or anything, please ask below and I'll be sure try to answer them.
I was there when I needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when yeah. I get so tired of making me take a night, but thinking it's all that I'll do cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you to
cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah. I only want you, yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh my god, can I tell you guys how I hate doing dishes by hand? I don't like it. I don't like it. But at this moment, my dishwashing machine was full. Yes, I had to run it, and I don't want y'all coming for me, okay? Like asking how I allow myself to have so much dishes. Yes, shit like this happens sometimes when you're just not in the mood, tired, dealing with your own shit. Yeah, time passes, and then yeah, I hate doing dishes by hand. That's just it. But here I am, doing my thing, and yes, I got it done. Got it done. I wish it was as easy as it looked here, but it wasn't. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm just gonna whip this up and listen. Making my bed for me is a must. I normally make my bed early in the morning, but today was a busy day. Like I said, I woke up early for work Took my daughter to the daycare, so I didn't have a time to make my bed. But coming home from work, I have to. Like, even though I'm gonna just remove these sheets, jump in bed right after in a few hours, I just have to make my bed before I get in it. I don't know. I feel so calm and relaxed. There's nothing like just jumping into a clean bed, a nice made bed, pulling back those sheets and just getting in right after a shower. Oh my god, that's the vibe. And yeah, this is what I'm gonna do right here. I'm just gonna make my bed and see what I have to do after.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around. That's what I always say. 'Cause
And it's that time again, folding the laundry. Not my favorite thing. This is another thing that I don't like to do. Just like doing the dishes by hand, I don't like to fold the laundry. I don't have a problem doing the laundry. Like, I can do my laundry like all day long. I love to pack a bag of clothes or a laundry basket and just wash all my laundry. But I hate folding. It's so time consuming. I don't like it. But here I am. I have to do it. And there my daughter is. You see a little feet. She's like watching TV. Even though she promised she was gonna help me. But yeah, kids. Yeah.
I was there when needed someone who wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, 'cause you know it's the season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when yeah. I get so tired of making me take a night, but thinking it's all that I'll do 'cause of you. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. But